This video clip gives a brief explanation of an automatic assembly system for an automobile header condenser. This shows the overall outline features of an automatic assembly system for a header condenser. The header condenser is an indispensable component, which is to be assembled on both the left and the right sides of the automobile air conditioning unit. All components deployed into this assembly system must be thoroughly measured prior to feeding to ensure they are in specification. Rejects which are out of specification should not be deployed, otherwise there is no guarantee of a finished quality product. The first process of assembling the automatic header condenser is to place the tank on the carrier. A rivet is inserted in order to combine the tank and bracket together. Press down the rivet that was inserted from the previous process to fix the bracket to the tank. Put the pipe assembly on the bracket. This is the process to get the pipe flange hole aligned with the tank. Raise the stay, which plays a part in holding the pipe of the pipe assembly together, and inset a rivet. This is the process to press a rivet at the pipe stay. This is the process to spread out the end of the pipe, which is inserted at the tank. Curl the pipe stay, which is located across the pipe assembly, to hold the joint connection firmly. This is the process to turn the header over for the purpose of assembly. Apply paste on the rivet to fix the flange to the tank. This is the process to assemble the header tentatively. The header part has been assembled tentatively and is now completely inserted and ready to be caulked. This is the final process to examine whether the header condenser is properly assembled or not. All critical factors are thoroughly checked and measured to screen out abnormalities, such as bracket existence, size of the hole header, width of the tank, height difference of the header, etc. The finished quality head condenser product is put in a packing box. This is a different automatic assembly system for another header condenser. The first part of the process of assembling the header condenser is to put the tank onto the carrier. A rivet is inserted first to combine the tank and the bracket together. Press down on the rivet in the bracket that was inserted from the previous process to fix the bracket to the tank. The connector is placed onto tank hole, which will link with the RD tank. Examine the RD tank, screen out rejects, and place all quality components into the tank. Flare 3 connectors between the tank and the RD tank to fix the tank, and to the RD tank. This is the process to attach the upper cap to one side of the RD tank. This is the process to turn over the header condenser for the purpose of assembly. Bring the headers into alignment. Headers are tentatively assembled onto tank, which has been turned over during the previous process. The header part assembled tentatively is now completely inserted and ready to be caulked. This is the final process to examine whether the header condenser is properly assembled or not. All critical factors are thoroughly checked and measured to screen out abnormalities, such as bracket existence, hole size of header, width of tank, height difference of header, etc. The finished quality head condenser product is put in a packing box. This re-shows a finished quality header condenser product and gives you the whole picture of the automatic assembly system.